Hello, my name is Demetris Theophanides and I'm the Director of XSpot Partners Ltd. Today we will review the performance of the markets in October and evaluate our investment portfolios at XSpot Wealth. October was another strong month for the markets. Stock indices reached new all-time highs and gold briefly surpassed 4,000 USD before experiencing a mild correction. Overall, the market sentiment remains positive across all major equity markets globally. Several key developments shaped the month of October. First, the Federal Reserve implemented a 0.25% interest rate cut, yet the likelihood of another rate cut in December has significantly decreased as the Fed remains cautious about inflation. Therefore, it is still unclear whether another cut will occur next month, though this could change based on upcoming economic data. Another key development in October was the agreement between the US and China. Presidents Trump and Xi reached several key decisions that could shape the relationship between the two major economies for years to come. This, along with recent positive trends such as strong corporate earnings, stable economic growth, and more favorable geopolitical climate, further reinforces the positive outlook for the markets and equities, pointing to a strong finish for 2025. Finally, October sparked a lot of talk about the possibility of an AI bubble. While there has been growing concern around the valuation of AI-related stocks, we believe market bubbles typically arise from more than just high valuations, as they are often driven by excessive speculation or shifts in the market sentiment. At the moment, there is no clear indication of a collapse in the AI sector, and we remain confident in its long-term growth potential as AI continues to drive innovation and reshape industries across the globe. Let's take a look at the performance of XSpot Wealth's investment portfolios. We are happy to report that all of XSpot Wealth's model portfolios deliver positive returns once again in October. The euro-denominated portfolios outperformed the dollar-denominated portfolios in October, largely due to the mild appreciation of the dollar, which benefited our growth-oriented portfolios in euros. Here's a breakdown of how our portfolios perform. Our global growth and dynamic growth euro portfolios both posted strong returns with 5% and 6% respectively. The dynamic growth portfolio has performed especially well and is up 13.44% year to date, driven by its exposure to the tech sector. The income plan also saw impressive results, with a 9.38% return since the start of the year, thanks to its balanced mix of bonds and high dividend yield stocks. Turning to the dollar-denominated portfolios, our global growth and dynamic growth USD portfolios continue to outperform as they are up 21.9% and 25.95% year to date respectively. These returns have easily outpaced major benchmarks like the MSCI World and the S&P 500. The fixed income portfolio, which is focused solely on bonds, has posted a 7.29% return since the start of the year. The balanced portfolio, which blends high-rated bonds with US equities, is up more than 13% year to date. Our investment team continues to carefully monitor the markets and our portfolios, and we are optimistic about closing 2025 on a positive note as we approach the final months of the year. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates and analysis from XSpot Wealth.